See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Gentle reminder of what APC is made of.
Buhari will change Nigeria. The way Asiwaju and Fashola changed Lagos, so Buhari will change Nigeria. The way we change Edo and banish the godfathers, that is how Buhari will change Nigeria and banish all the corrupt people in government. The way Rotimi has driven away all the miscreants in Port Harcourt, that is how Buhari will chase away all those who have held Nigeria down over the past 60 years. I know that here in Ibadan, you are seeing on generator 60 years of democratic rule. I know that here in Ibadan, every family has at least 2 graduates who have no job because PDP has killed our factories. All the industries in Ikeja, PDP killed them. All the industries in Isolo, PDP killed them. All the industries in Apapa, PDP killed them. All the industries in Kano, Sharada, Popai, PDP murdered them. All the industries in Kaduna, PDP killed them. Even where I was working, PDP killing. Everywhere in the country, PDP is killing Nigeria. Therefore, this is the moment of change. I speak to you as a former president of workers. I understand the language. PDP believes that the exploitation of the majority is necessary for them to sustain the crude accumulation that they have subjected the country to. They have run out of lies. They promise what they will never deliver. Today they are asking you to pay what they call fees charge for electricity. When they give you darkness, they collect money from you. When they came to power in 1999, kerosene was 16 naira. Diesel was 18 naira. Petrol was 20 naira. Today, as we speak, the poor Ibadan woman is paying 150 naira because PDP even exploit the poor. Enough is enough. On February 14, my brother, my own brother, the president, we will escort him to his village. And we will bring Buhari to the villa so that Nigeria can move again. Enough of a leader who does not know the difference between day and night. We must stop the culture of impunity where we are arguing as if there are no more Akatas in Nigeria. Our crude oil is stolen from source. Everybody is confused. Police have no uniform. The military